Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I am Elsie and I love a good glitter glam eye look. Today I'm going to be sharing with you some temporary lip plumpers that I have used over the course of 6 months or something like that. It's been a long time since I started this journey, and I didn't really start this thinking that, oh, I'm gonna do a video and whatever, but I kind of just realized halfway through, I was like, you know what? This is useful information that some people might be interested in, so let's do this. So basically what I have today are 4 temporary lip plumpers. 3 of them you can find at the drugstore and one of them is kind of high end, and I'm just gonna share my experiences with them, show you what it looks like on the lips, let you see what's going on, and just tell you my thoughts and tell you which one out of these 4 I think works the best. That's pretty much it. I want to start off with my least favorite one out of these 4, which is the Revlon Kiss Plumping Lip Cream. I got 2 shades. One is 520 Fresh Petal and the other one is 510 Nude Honey. I really just wanted to try out 2 that I felt like were the most natural looking. So these are definitely a lip cream or lip gloss, whatever you want to call that. They do have a color, a tint to them, which I do like. I thought it was pretty. I just didn't think, I don't know, it just wasn't what I was expecting. This product in particular is one that is marketed to plump your lips and plump them over time. Okay, I don't know how they do that. Another one of the ones I have claims the same type of thing, so it is a real thing, I guess, which I like. I mean, I want plumper lips. I'm just a little terrified of actually doing it. I can't with needles. No thank you. Ugh. So the idea of a temporary lip plumper that will also help keep my lips plumper over time, or however that works exactly, that's a pretty good idea. I like that. I think that it's pretty neat. The only issue I have with these is I don't know what's going on here with these Revlon ones, but they don't work. I tried these out for 3 weeks. Almost every single day I was putting these on, trying to see what the heck was gonna happen, and at the end of the 3 weeks, I gave up. I was like, this isn't working. Nothing's happening. The colors are really nice, but that's all it is basically, a lip gloss. A tinted lip gloss or cream, whatever. You know how a lot of lip plumpers will give you that tingly feeling or even a burning sensation, which is kind of scary, but that's kind of how you know it's working. These don't do anything. I swear to God, they don't do anything. They don't plump your lips, they don't tingle, they don't burn, there's nothing about them that makes me feel like they're a lip plumper when I put them on my lips, okay? I think if you like something more subtle and you don't like the burning or the tingling, then I guess you could try these out, but I'm just letting you know that over the course of 3 weeks, I did not see an overall difference. I don't know, I just didn't see any effects from these at all, except for just kind of looking pretty on the lips, and not even like super pretty, so. But the next one I have for you guys today is the Alba Botanica Fast Fix for Thin Lip. Now this one, I want to say that this one is an in-between when it comes to the pricing. I did find mine at my local TJ Maxx. I actually have 2 of them because they were so affordable. They were about $2.99 each, so that's a pretty good deal. I'll find the real price of these just in case you don't have a TJ Maxx or a Marshalls near you, because these worked. I was really impressed. This is a cinnamon-based lip plumper. It's also 100% vegetarian. That's funny. I don't know if that means that it's vegan. It doesn't say vegan. It just says 100% vegetarian ingredients. So, but anyways, yeah, this does have a cinnamon base to it, which is what's causing that lip plumper, and you can definitely smell it and taste it with this. Not in a bad way, but it is kind of intense. Now, when you put this on your lips, you are gonna right away get that tingly feeling. I would not call it a burning feeling, but it is a tingling, intense feeling. And I do find that with this one, when you rub your lips together more, like right when you first put it on, I feel like you get a better result. Do I know if that's scientific? If that's proven? No, but I've just, from personal experience, I found that this definitely worked a little bit faster or a little bit more when I was rubbing my lips together. I really, really like this product a lot. The only downfall to it is the fact that it seems to go away really fast. I feel like the plumping action that it does is not a huge amount, but it's enough for me to be like, okay. I feel like it makes my lips look really juicy and just nice and shiny. I like that. Like I said though, I feel like the effects just don't last that long and it doesn't make your lips super, super plump and big. So therefore it's kind of like, okay, it's not that plump and it's not that long lasting. So I don't know. I do like it though. Moving on to the next one, which is the NYX Pump It Up Lip Plumper. This one is the clear one, which I guess is called 03. They do have a bunch of shades. I'll put a picture here if I can find one. So I got the clear one and I do have to say I really like this. When I put it on for the first time, I really got that tingle, that little bit of burning almost, but that tingly good feeling you get with a temporary lip plumper, like, ooh, yes. So right away I was like, this is gonna be good. Ooh, and I do have to say it plumped my lips quite a bit, but just not quite as much as I wanted. Anyways though, I did like this though. Was it extreme? Was it life-changing? No, but I did like it and I felt like it got the job done. It definitely got the job done a little bit more than the first two, 100%. The biggest downside about this lip plumper though is the fact that it is so thick and heavy that it can be kind of annoying. It's not anything so extreme that I would say, oh, I'm never wearing this again, but it is enough for me to make it a point. It's yeah. All right, so the last and final lip plumper I have for you today is the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. Now, the one that I have is a mini one. It was about $14, and I am not sure what the actual price is for the full size, but as usual, it'll be on the screen somewhere here. Either way, I do know that it's gonna be high-end priced, most likely. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but it's Too Faced, okay? So it's probably gonna be. It came in this cute little packaging and this instantly sexy lips. That's what caught my attention. I was like, oh, well, okay, that's what I want. And the fact that it says extreme. I was like, whoa, Too Faced, slow down. This one is another one that does say that it gives instant and long-term lip plumping effects, which is definitely something, like I said before, that catches my interest. I have used this for 2 weeks now, which I know is a little bit less than the other products, but it was one of those things where I knew right away that I liked it, so I really didn't need that much time. This stuff is going to burn and tingle. Like, it's gonna burn. It's not something that is too concerning. Like, when I had it, I wasn't totally freaking out, like, oh my god, my lips are burning off. I wasn't like that. It wasn't that bad, but it was enough for me to be like, is this okay? Like, is this, what? I figured that's just the extreme part, right? It just makes your lips look so juicy and so full. Like, my top lip looks so nice. But the thing is, this stuff smells like little kid lip gloss. You know the children's makeup and children's lip gloss and lipsticks that you get, and it has that smell. I don't know how on earth to describe it. I really hope you know what I'm talking about, because that's what this is. Too Faced? You gotta change that, because this stuff is like magic. I love it so much. Oh, it's so bad, but it works so good. I don't know, I'm so conflicted.
I'll see how you are. You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
I can't. You probably already know that the Too Faced one is the winner out of today. Out of all the ones I showed you, this is my absolute favorite one. I just feel like it works the best. It's a nice gloss as well, which I really appreciate. I like that, and how it looks on your lips is just so, Ooh, it's so good. In terms of price, if you do need something that is a little bit cheaper, obviously the mini size is only $14, so that's not too bad. But if you are looking for even cheaper options, the NYX one, like I said, I believe it was about $4, so that's not bad at all. And you will get a good effect with this. It's not going to be as intense, I feel like, as this one. You will see a difference with this though, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. This one definitely works. It's definitely nice, but I wouldn't classify it as a extreme lip plumper. You're not going to see crazy results with this. So maybe you are somebody who's looking for just a little bit, nothing too crazy. Maybe you're just starting to get into lip plumpers, or you're thinking about it, questioning it. This might be a good option just to see if you even like the idea of it, and then you can move up from there. So I guess that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. Don't forget to turn on notifications as well so you know whenever I post a video. I guess that is it. Until next time, guys, stay flawless.